Welcome to DTF Printer USA. Let's set up your heat press for perfect prints. First, plug the heat press into a stable power outlet. Make sure the connection is secure. Turn on the machine by using the power button. After that, set the timer to 8 seconds, which is usually the ideal duration for effective heat pressing. Set the temperature to 280 Fahrenheit. To reset the counter, press and hold both the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. In addition to auto mode, there's also a manual setting. With the manual switch button, you can start the press with a single touch. The emergency stop button lets you stop the machine instantly if needed. Now, let's watch the heat press in action.